In this tutorial, let's learn how to count the number of observations in the dataset. For example, we have a variable that have three categories: consumer, corporate, and the home office. And we know that you have 5,191 observation in the category consumer. You have 3,020 observation corporate and the 1,783 observations in the home office. And the total of these three categories will be 9,994, almost 10,000. This is the raw data set. The name of the variable is segment. And here you have consumer, corporate, and the home office. These are the three possibilities. And let's see how many observations you have in the total. Let's scroll down. If you go here, row ID, we have 9,994 observations. But we want to count how many consumers and how many corporate and how many home office. We already opened the Superstore dataset that comes with Tableau. Let's select the variable segment here. Drag to columns. And then you have to take this variable here, number of records. And see, this is automatically generated by Tableau. You don't need to create it. Tableau counts for you. And let's drag to row. Here in the label, let's put show mark labels. And now let's add the total number of observations. Clicking Analytics and you select here totals. And you go to row grind total here. This is the chart.